Looking to experience the perfect family getaway in a camper van? Well, Etta might just be the van for you. Etta sleeps 2 adults and 2 young children. She's based in North Norfolk and she'll take you on the adventure of a lifetime. Let's meet Etta's owner and take a look inside. Welcome to Quirky Campers, the home of handmade camper vans.
We wanted a camper van, having the kids, we like getting away, getting them back into nature. We've had tents in the past and it can be a little bit of a faff with all the kids and all the stuff, so we thought a camper van would be a good solution really. You've got everything you need, so nice and comfortable. The main priority for us was obviously enough beds for everybody, so the bunk beds were great for us. Also plenty of storage for all the stuff that comes with having a family. There's loads of cupboards in Etta, which was a good selling point for us. And also having the shower and toilet on board again was a big plus. So we found Etta on eBay. She was previously a rental van in Brighton. We've been looking for ages for a camper van that would fit our family, and then Etta came along and we thought she was perfect. So we bought her, and it was we spent many months looking for the perfect van, and then we found her. When we got Etta, we wanted to make a few changes just to kind of put our stamp on her. So she was kind of white, quite neutral when we got her, and I just wanted to add a kind of softness and elegance to the style, and just put our own stamp on her really, and make her personal to us. Here we've got the overhead storage, and that's quite handy for storing the duvets and pillows and that sort of thing. We've got the bunk beds, so these are this full-size bunk bed, and this is obviously sort of a smaller child size. This is the seating area as well, where the 2 belted seats here for travelling. So my kitchen's my favourite part of the van. You can stand here cooking for the family. You can see out the sliding door there, the lovely view. We like these copper pipes we chose for the hanging the utensils, and also for the tea towel rail over there as well. We thought it was quite a nice touch. Counters are made out of reclaimed scaffolding planks. We've got the sink with the detachable hose tap, which is quite handy. Coming down here, we've got the all-important wine rack. Nice little feature, I think. The cutlery drawer, everything you might need in there with your knives and everything. Down to the fridge, nice little fridge in there. So coming across, we've got the two gas hob and the oven, which I think is quite good if you need to oven cook anything, or the grill. Down here we've got your pots and pans for cooking. We've got the overhead cupboards up here as well, where you'll just find your cups and glasses, that sort of thing. We've got the bathroom in here. So in here you've got the shower and the toilet. So this is the dining area, which also converts into the double bed. So the table is also made out of the reclaimed scaffolding boards. So that just unscrews underneath, wiggles down, and slots on top of these lips here, and the cushions just come into the middle to make the bed. Nice cosy double bed there. One of the things I just really like, that I find quite handy with the little ones, is once we've arrived, we put up the bunk beds and we just leave them in place then, because we can all fit around this table to eat, and we just leave the bunk beds in place then, and there's no faffing around at the end of the day when they're tired. We can just pop them straight into bed. We had a trip away recently in Etta as a family, just up to the North Norfolk coast, just down the road. It was really lovely. We just kind of sat in the back, got some fish and chips, opened up the back doors and just sat and looked out to sea while we were having our tea in the back, which was really nice. The thing I'm most proud of with Etta is the use of space and the layout. To have fitted in the double bed, the bunk beds, and the toilet and shower, plus the kitchen, I think it's just a really great use of space and good design.
you could hire this van for your own adventure. Visit our website to find out more. Looking to build your own campervan? Check out our ebook, Building a Campervan. As well as technical advice on things like carpentry, gas and electrics, it also includes dozens of layout ideas and advice on things like choosing your base vehicle or what to do if you'd like to rent your campervan out. Visit our website to find out more.